Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the laptop that got destroyed by Indian tech support scammers viruses. And it kept coming up with pop-up, give me money or your computer's going to be messed up. If you saw the video, Indian tech support scammer, scams my grandma, then you'll know what laptop I'm talking about. But you never did really see it because I just got it in the mail like 1 or 2 days ago for UPS because my grandma doesn't live where I live, so she sent it for UPS in a box. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys like the laptop and all of the stats on it and what it was doing and how I fixed it, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, and of course, like I just said, I'm going to be showing you the specs, how it got messed up, and I'm going to show you like why I like this laptop better than the new ones that are coming out nowadays. So yeah, this laptop, when my grandma first bought it, was around like 1 or 2 thousand. She said it was like the top of the line type of stuff, and she really needed a really fast and good laptop for her business and stuff, because she runs her business through a computer. And so she needed like the best computer that she can get. So this is like the charger. This is like all the original stuff. This came with a normal charger, and I'm going to be showing you guys why I like these old HP laptops way better than any of the other old laptops. If you flip it around here, on a normal laptop, you'd have to unscrew all of these screws to open it up and fix it. Well, on this, if you can see that T going all along here with all the vents, this just pops out to fix everything. So if you get your screwdriver, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, so just be patient with me. You just kind of put your screwdriver in, or in my case I normally use a butter knife, but I was just showing you guys you could use a screwdriver. You get like a thin butter knife, or I know some people use putty knives. If you know what a putty knife is, it's just like little things that people use to put putty on to walls. But you just pop this open, and you just get this open. I'm probably just gonna actually skip this for you guys, probably fast forward it right now. So actually wait, no, I probably won't. It's opening up pretty well. So yeah, this is why I really like these. It's really easy to take apart and fix, and like in my case I had to fix it because the guy at Staples who was trying to fix it is like a complete idiot, and he kept saying how the RAM is broken and stuff. But yeah, so after you open it up, it's just a T, as you can see. And before you touch any of these components inside, you should always take out the battery. You should actually take out the battery first, but I just didn't. So you know what's cool about the battery? You click this and it shows you that I have 100% battery left. So I mean, yeah. So here's all your components in the computer that came with. I won't really go over like the extreme stuff on this. I'll probably make another video about it. But of course, here's your two 4 GB RAM sticks, so 8 GB total. As you can see, it just slips out. There you go. If you want to, I don't know, that doesn't even really matter. If you want to see the brand, if my camera will focus, come on. There you go, you can kind of see the brand. I don't know, you can't really see the brand because I'm really close to the camera right now, but yeah, it's just some RAM, this random accessible memory or whatever. Click it back in. This is what I'm talking about, how easy it is to work on these laptops. You can get your screwdriver and unscrew all of these screws, and the hard drive just pops out. And then this one, why it was so highly priced was because it was like the top of the line model. So instead of only having one hard drive right here, it has a second space for 2 hard drives. As you can see, it has right here will say like disk 1. It has a picture of a disk and has 1. This says disk 2. It has a picture of a disk. It has 2. Unscrew this. This is empty right now. I'm probably gonna get an SSD so I can put all my video games on this, so it's really fast. And then this is just a normal hard drive with like the operating system. And it's really cool. To put it back on, you don't need any special tools. You just put it all kind of lined up and just go around the edge and just kind of snap it all back in. Yeah, the guy at Staples decided that the RAM was broken, right? he took out the 2 RAM sticks, put the one in the bottom. Like, okay, so you know how there's like one on top of each other? He took the one from the top out, set it aside. He took the bottom one out, instead of putting the bottom one back in, he set it in the laptop's body and put the top one back in and told my grandma it was broken. Okay, I don't know if he's just completely stupid or if he was trying to scam. I don't know exactly. But apparently he just didn't understand how a laptop works, okay? But yeah, and it also has a subwoofer on the bottom. So if we flip it around, here you got the laptop top. What the heck? Okay, it has yourself a disk drive that can also write discs. Has 2 USB ports, charger. Come over to the side, you got yourself, let me see, microphone and 2 headphones, 2 USBs, a LAN cable for internet, HDMI and whatever this one is. I can't exactly remember right now, but yeah, you open it up, turn it on. This is another speaker. It's like a sound ball. Sound ball, you know what I'm talking about. And then here's 2 more speakers. You just click start Windows. 2 speakers right here. This is one. This is another. Has an SD card. And these are all Beats. I don't know if that's really important or not. Like the overpriced headphone brand. Yeah, so that's Beats. This is actually Windows 7. I might get a second hard drive. Because this is a 600 gigabyte hard drive. I'm gonna probably get a 1 terabyte hard drive for all of my games and stuff. This is just HD webcam, and then it's just the HP Pavilion DV7. So if you want to look it up or whatever. So yeah, it loads up, and let me just show you something that's really cool. As you can see, I have my name right with my I just named it as my YouTube name. Normally you would type your password in, right? No, not with this computer. You see this right here that's blinking? You scroll your finger. Oh, sorry, I accidentally didn't do it right. You scroll your finger, okay? It's a fingerprint scanner. It scans your finger like this. Oh, wait a minute. I need to sign in before I can do that. Just a minute, guys. Let me just see if it'll wanna work now. There you go. See, so I'm just having trouble because if you put your finger like this down on it, it doesn't work. And holding the camera with my mic on my head, like my headset, and trying to do it is really difficult. But with me, it's really easy to do for me. Every single time I do it, it's just probably because I'm recording a YouTube video. You know how everything kind of just goes messed up. And yeah, as you can see, I have all of my stuff on it. And what I like is you can do custom logos. Like, that's my YouTube channel. It has a cool little YouTube logo. I don't know if you can see that well or not. And then I have my PayPal for if I ever make money on YouTube, which I kind of doubt. But anyway, also what's really cool is if you go here, go to gadgets. It'll have all this stuff, all of this random stuff. Up here I have how much CPU and RAM I'm using. I'm sorry, this is like a terrible lighting situation right now. Yeah, but see, that's just the CPU and stuff. I will be getting a better camera soon, so just bear with me, guys, Go down here, and I'll show you all of the RAM and stuff. And so, yeah, I'm just show you guys that. And then this video will probably end. It's not really too long of a video, but it's almost 10 minutes, so, doesn't really matter. Okay, so you go over here. Oh, my gosh, camera. Okay, jeez. Okay, you go over here if it wants to work. Okay, it's a HP, of course, Hewlett Packard. You just blah blah blah. It's an Intel Core i7 2670 CPU, clocked at 2.2 gigahertz, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and just all of that random crap. I don't know if you really need to know that or not. And you may be wondering, well, what kind of graphics card does it have? So I'll just go to Device Manager. Let's see. Device Manager. Let me just show you guys what graphics card. Yeah. If I sound kind of like, I don't really know what I'm talking about, that's because, I just haven't made a video in so long, and I'm kind of tired because I've been working today. It has a biometric scanner, which is a fancy word for the fingerprint scanner that's right here on the screen. This is the name of the sensor if you needed to know. Go to display adapters. This is the graphics. It's an Intel HD graphics family. And then the processor, I believe it's an 8-core processor. Yeah, see, it's about 8 cores. Yeah, it's an 8-core, i7. So yeah, and this, when it first came out, was like incredibly like intense for a laptop. And also, if you're seeing this, I don't know if I won't show up now, but audio in the video, whenever it's like waving like the screen, it's not doing that in real life. It's just because the camera's picking up the screen different. If you want to know all that, just look it up on Google, and it'll have like probably a Wikipedia article about it. So yeah, this is overall, it's a really good laptop. It lights up and stuff. And I know I didn't go into too much detail on this because I know a lot of people are going to be like, you didn't go into too much detail, right? I'm going to be making a separate video where I'm going to leak the scammer's phone number because I have a photo of what was happening. I'm going to leak that, give it to you guys, and so you guys can wreak havoc on them. And then I'm going to go into more stuff, about this computer. And if you may be wondering why I haven't uploaded lately, it's because we've been moving, not moving out of the place we live. I mean, sorry, not moving out of state, but we were moving from one house to another, let's say this is our house, we were just moving over here. In the same, kind of neighborhood, I guess. We live in the woods, so it's kind of like a neighborhood, quote unquote. So, yeah, we're just moving closer to town so that we can get closer and stuff. And in school, I've been kind of working on that. And yeah, and then I've just been waiting to do a YouTube video about this because I'm going to probably make the, scammer video, me leaking the phone number and calling them. And, being like, hey, how do you feel about being a scammer? Yeah, if you have any other videos you want me to do, tell me down in the comments because, I really appreciate it, for people to tell me what videos to do. If you guys want to see me do a particular video, and, if you liked the video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so, you don't miss an upload. And, yeah, have an awesome day. Okay, before, we end this video with the outro and stuff, I just completely forgot to tell you, you can upgrade the CPU in this, which I may do. You take out the actual motherboard itself, and the CPU just there's like a fan with the copper tubing. You just take it out and then put the new CPU. So, completely forgot to tell you guys that. So, I hope you have a wonderful day, as I just said, and water into outro. Yeah.